So a very common problem for an outdoor water spigot, especially when it's installed in brick, is for it to be loosely attached or not attached at all to the wall. So really the only thing holding it in, like this one, is the water line behind it. Now that's not ideal because it's hard to get your holes attached, and that also could lead to water leaks by fatiguing the water line behind it because of the rotation and now the play that the water spigot has. Now this is most commonly a problem because it's hard to get new anchors to go within the brick because the old hole is large enough where you just can't get secure holes in place because the flange is just too small on models such as the Shark Bite outdoor spigot. But there is another easy solution which actually goes on the inside, and that is through the use of a bracket such as this. Now you can get these off of Amazon for about $10, and you can look down in the description for this exact one I'm going to use. But give me just a couple minutes, I'll show you how easy it is to install.
We'll start off by just doing a dry fit of the bracket or clamp. You just want to make sure you have the right clearances to tighten everything up. And in this case, I don't. So what I'm going to do is just chip away at that brick to get the clearances I need. So now I'll go ahead and test that again. And this is looking better, which will work to secure that bracket onto the spigot pipe. Now before I put the bracket on, I'm going to clean things off a little bit and then just put some general purpose exterior caulk, making sure that I fill in all around the pipe because I don't want any bugs getting in, and especially where I'm at in the northern climate, I don't want in the winter cold air coming in on my plumbing. Then I will go ahead and start threading the bottom screw and then place the bracket on and then tighten that top screw. Because the bottom has less clearance, I'll want to do that first, get it to where I want it, and then do the final tightening on the top screw. So I do recommend getting everything snug so it's holding the spigot and going outside and making sure that everything's lined up. So I'm going to just rotate that vertically, get it to where I want it, and then go back inside for final tightening. Then just a couple more turns, making sure everything's secure and the spigot is pulled tight. And that is what the finished product looks like. And it does give a very strong, secure hold.
For about $15 for the bracket and maybe some exterior caulk and 15 to 30 minutes in overall project time, it's really hard to beat this bracket in terms of securing a spigot, especially if you're dealing with a brick wall, which you know those anchors can really be a challenge to set from the outside. Now, some products you buy for projects around the house you're super disappointed with, and others you're pleasantly surprised. I would say this internal bracket to secure that spigot, I am pleasantly surprised, and it worked great. Total project cost, you're looking at about $15, and total project time, it's about 15 to 30 minutes, depending on if you have to chip off some brick like I did. Links for the products I used in the description, especially this bracket, because I've only found it on Amazon. If you guys seen them at home improvement stores, jump down in the comments and let me know. But before you take off, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, go ahead and do that now, as we have multiple videos coming out per week to help you with repairs and improvements around the house, and we'll catch you on the next one. Take care.